The BMW B58 has earned a reputation as one of the greatest turbocharged six-cylinder engines of the modern era. Whether it's powering a BMW M340i, X3 M40i, X5, Toyota Supra, or several other high-performance models, enthusiasts constantly praise it for its incredible combination of power, reliability, and tuning potential. In fact, many mechanics consider the B58 to be BMW's best engine in decades. It solved many of the problems that older BMW turbo engines were known for and quickly became the benchmark for modern inline-six performance. But over the last few years, something interesting has started happening. The engine itself continues proving incredibly durable, yet more and more owners are finding themselves facing repair bills worth thousands of dollars. The surprising part is that the engine usually isn't the problem. Instead, many of these expensive repairs happen because owners make the same maintenance mistakes over and over again, believing the B58 is so reliable that it doesn't require much attention. Today, we're breaking down the biggest mistakes BMW B58 owners make, why these mistakes become so expensive, and how avoiding a few simple habits could save you thousands of dollars over the life of your car. The first mistake is believing that BMW's recommended oil change interval is the best schedule for long-term reliability. Modern BMW service intervals are designed around convenience, lower ownership costs during warranty, and environmental regulations. Many owners simply follow the dashboard reminder and assume everything is fine. But turbocharged engines operate under extreme temperatures, especially one as powerful as the B58. The turbocharger spins at incredible speeds while exposing engine oil to intense heat every time you accelerate aggressively or drive on the highway for long periods. Over thousands of miles, even the highest quality synthetic oil begins losing its protective properties. Waiting too long between oil changes allows contaminants to build up and reduces lubrication where it's needed most. Experienced BMW specialists often recommend changing the oil much earlier than the factory interval because clean oil is far cheaper than replacing worn timing components, turbo bearings, or internal engine parts. Spending a little more on maintenance today can prevent repair bills that easily reach several $1,000s later. The second mistake involves ignoring the cooling system simply because the engine temperature gauge appears normal. The B58 uses one of BMW's most advanced cooling systems ever designed. Electric water pumps, electronically controlled thermostats, multiple coolant circuits, and complex heat management allow the engine to warm up quickly while keeping temperatures under control during spirited driving. The system works incredibly well when everything functions properly. Another expensive mistake involves ignoring small oil leaks. One reason owners overlook these leaks is because the B58 usually continues running perfectly even when minor seepage begins around the valve cover, oil filter housing, or other seals. Since there are no warning lights and no obvious performance loss, it's easy to postpone repairs until the next service appointment. Unfortunately, oil doesn't simply disappear. It often drips onto nearby rubber hoses, electrical connectors, or engine mounts, slowly damaging surrounding components over time. In turbocharged engines, leaking oil can also reach hot exhaust components, producing burning smells that many owners dismiss as normal. By delaying repairs, a relatively inexpensive gasket replacement can gradually become a much larger repair involving multiple parts instead of just one simple seal. Many B58 owners also underestimate how important spark plug maintenance becomes once the vehicle accumulates mileage or receives performance modifications. Turbocharged engines place tremendous demands on ignition systems because cylinder pressures are much higher than naturally aspirated engines. Worn spark plugs may still allow the engine to run smoothly during gentle driving, but under heavy acceleration, they can cause small misfires that many drivers never even notice. These misfires force ignition coils to work harder while reducing combustion efficiency. Drivers often blame poor fuel quality or weather conditions when the real issue is simply overdue spark plugs. Untuned B58 engines producing significantly more boost than stock, ignoring spark plug replacement becomes even riskier because higher cylinder pressures require stronger ignition performance. Replacing plugs at sensible intervals costs very little compared to diagnosing persistent misfires or replacing damaged ignition components later. Every month a small leak is ignored, every service interval that's stretched too far, and every unusual noise that's dismissed as nothing important slowly increases the final cost of ownership. It's also worth remembering that many expensive repair bills begin with owners trying to diagnose problems themselves using internet forums alone. Online communities are incredibly valuable because they allow people to share real ownership experiences, but every symptom doesn't automatically point toward the same repair. A rough idle could be spark plugs, injectors, vacuum leaks, software calibration, carbon buildup, or something entirely different. Replacing random parts based on someone else's experience often becomes an expensive guessing game. Professional diagnostics may seem costly at first, but accurate diagnosis usually prevents unnecessary repairs and identifies the real cause much faster. Spending money on proper diagnosis is almost always cheaper than replacing multiple perfectly good parts while hoping one of them fixes the issue. One of the smartest habits successful long-term B58 owners develop is treating maintenance as an investment instead of an expense. They don't wait for the car to force them into repairs. They replace fluids before they become contaminated, inspect cooling components before they leak, monitor unusual sounds instead of ignoring them, and understand that preventative maintenance almost always costs dramatically less than emergency repairs. That's one reason you'll often hear stories of B58-powered BMWs reaching incredibly high mileage with surprisingly few serious mechanical issues. So, are BMW B58 owners really making an expensive mistake? In many cases, yes, but the mistake isn't buying the engine. It's assuming its excellent reputation means maintenance suddenly stops mattering. The B58 has proven itself capable of delivering incredible reliability, impressive power, and long-term durability that many older BMW engines struggle to match. But even the best engine cannot protect itself from neglected fluids, ignored warning signs, overheating, worn ignition components, or delayed servicing. Understanding those realities doesn't make ownership more complicated, it makes ownership smarter. The drivers enjoying hundreds of thousands of reliable miles usually aren't lucky. They simply understand that protecting an engine starts long before any warning light appears on the dashboard. And that's ultimately what separates a satisfying BMW ownership experience from an expensive one. The B58 isn't just one of BMW's greatest modern engines because it's powerful. It's great because it gives owners the opportunity to enjoy both performance and reliability at the same time, provided they respect what the engine needs. Ignore the small things, and the repair bills can become surprisingly large. Stay proactive, invest in proper maintenance, and the B58 can easily become one of the most rewarding engines you'll ever own. The expensive mistake isn't hidden inside the engine itself. It's hidden in the decisions owners make every single day after they drive it home.